Artificial intelligence. It's no longer science fiction, it's woven into the fabric of our daily lives, evolving at breathtaking speed. From algorithms recommending our next movie to complex systems driving cars and diagnosing diseases, AI promises unprecedented progress and efficiency. Yet, alongside the excitement, whispers of anxiety arise. Will AI surpass human intelligence? What happens to our jobs, our relationships, our very sense of purpose? As machines become more capable, what does it mean to be human? In this era of exponential technological change, how do we navigate the complexities and ensure AI serves our collective well-being, guided not just by code, but by wisdom? Welcome to the Noble Wisdom Path. Today, we venture into the heart of the 21st century, exploring the profound encounter between humanity and rapidly developing artificial intelligence, viewed through the lens of applied Buddhist philosophy. AI presents both immense opportunities and significant challenges, forcing us to confront fundamental questions about consciousness, ethics, compassion, and the future of our species. How can ancient wisdom traditions like Buddhism offer guidance in this uncharted territory? We'll examine how core Buddhist principles, mindfulness, compassion, interconnectedness, dependent origination, karma, impermanence, and the understanding of no-self, anatman, can help us understand, develop, and integrate AI in ways that promote wisdom, ethical conduct, and genuine human flourishing, rather than amplifying suffering. This isn't about rejecting technology, but about engaging with it consciously and skillfully. One of the most captivating aspects of AI is its potential to mimic, and perhaps one day replicate, human consciousness. AI can learn, reason, solve problems, and even generate creative content. This raises questions. Is AI truly intelligent? Could it become conscious? From a Buddhist perspective, consciousness, vijnana, is not a monolithic entity or a ghost in the machine, but one of the five aggregates, skandhas, a conditioned and impermanent process arising in dependence upon sense organs, sense objects, and preceding moments of awareness. It's a stream of knowing, constantly changing, and intrinsically linked to feeling, perception, and mental formations. While AI can simulate cognitive functions with increasing sophistication, it currently lacks the embodied, subjective, feeling-toned experience that characterizes biological consciousness as understood in Buddhism. AI processes data. It doesn't feel joy or sorrow in the same way a sentient being does. The Buddhist view cautions against anthropomorphizing AI or equating complex computation with genuine sentience or self-awareness, which are tied to the entire psychophysical organism and its capacity for suffering and liberation. Furthermore, AI presents a double-edged sword for our own minds. It can be a powerful tool for distraction, pulling our attention outward with endless streams of algorithmically curated content, potentially amplifying craving and restlessness. Social media algorithms, driven by AI, can create echo chambers that reinforce biases and hinder open-mindedness, contributing to societal division, a form of delusion. However, AI also holds potential as a tool for cultivating wisdom. It can provide access to vast amounts of information, including Dharma teachings. AI-powered apps can guide meditation or help track mindful habits. The key lies in our intention and how we engage with these tools. Can we use AI mindfully, remaining aware of its influence on our mental states, rather than becoming passively consumed by it? Mindfulness becomes crucial in navigating this relationship, allowing us to utilize AI's benefits without succumbing to its potential pitfalls for mental cultivation. The development and deployment of AI raise urgent ethical questions, which resonate deeply with the Buddhist concept of karma, intentional action, and its consequences. Algorithmic bias AI systems are trained on data generated by humans, and thus often inherit and even amplify existing societal biases related to race, gender, or socioeconomic status. An algorithm used for hiring or loan applications might discriminate unfairly, not out of malice, but because it reflects the biases present in its training data. This can be seen as a manifestation of collective societal karma, embedded within the technology itself. Recognizing this requires diligent effort to create fairer, more representative datasets and continuously audit AI systems for bias, aligning with the principle of right action. Asterisk responsibility asterisk who is responsible when an autonomous AI causes harm? The programmer? The owner? The user? The AI itself? Buddhist ethics emphasizes intention asterisk satana asterisk as the root of karma. While AI currently lacks genuine intention in the human sense, the intentions of those who design, deploy, and use AI are paramount. Creating AI for harmful purposes, e.g., autonomous weapons designed to kill without human intervention, clearly generates negative karma and violates the first precept of non-harming, asterisk ahimsa asterisk. Even deploying AI with good intentions requires careful consideration of potential unintended consequences, demanding wisdom and foresight. Asterisk right speech and livelihood asterisk AI's ability to generate realistic text, images, and video, deepfakes, poses challenges to right speech. Spreading misinformation or creating deceptive content using AI generates negative karma. Conversely, using AI to facilitate clear communication or provide accurate information aligns with right speech. Similarly, AI's impact on employment relates to right livelihood. While AI might automate certain jobs, leading to economic disruption and suffering for some, it could also free humans from tedious labor, potentially creating opportunities for more meaningful work or greater leisure for spiritual practice. Guiding these transitions ethically, ensuring social safety nets, and promoting retraining becomes a societal expression of compassion and skillful means. Ultimately, the ethical dimension of AI, from a Buddhist viewpoint, hinges on the intentions and mindfulness of the humans involved. Are we creating and using AI with intentions rooted in wisdom and compassion, aiming to reduce suffering and promote well-being? Or are we driven by greed, profit, power, hatred, control, conflict, or delusion, naivete about risks, pursuit of technological novelty for its own sake? Our collective future with AI will be shaped by the karmic seeds we plant today through our choices regarding its development and use. Can AI be compassionate? True compassion, asterisk karuna asterisk, in Buddhism, involves not just recognizing suffering, but feeling it and having the heartfelt wish for that suffering to cease. It arises from wisdom and an understanding of interconnectedness. Current AI can simulate empathetic responses or perform tasks that alleviate suffering, e.g., assisting the elderly, providing personalized education, aiding medical diagnosis, but it doesn't feel compassion. It executes programmed functions. This distinction is crucial. While AI can be a valuable tool in service of compassionate action, it cannot replace the genuine human capacity for empathy and connection. Over-reliance on AI for tasks involving emotional labor, e.g., companionship bots, risks devaluing authentic human relationships and potentially hindering our own development of compassion. The warmth of a human touch, the felt presence of an empathetic listener, these are qualities AI cannot replicate. The challenge, then, is twofold. 1. To use AI wisely as a tool to extend our capacity for compassionate action, helping us identify needs and deliver aid more effectively. 2. To consciously cultivate and prioritize genuine human connection and empathy in an increasingly technologically mediated world. We must guard against letting efficiency or convenience erode the essential human need for authentic relationship. An interesting question arises. Should we cultivate compassion towards AI? While current AI isn't sentient, the practice of extending loving kindness, asterisk meta asterisk, universally can include even inanimate objects as a training ground for the mind. As AI becomes more sophisticated, perhaps interacting with it skillfully, without anger or frustration, even when it malfunctions, can be a form of practice. Looking further ahead, if AI were ever to achieve genuine sentience and the capacity to suffer, the Buddhist principle of universal compassion would logically extend to it as well. For now, the focus remains on cultivating our own compassion and ensuring AI serves, rather than hinders, a compassionate society. The rapid evolution of AI serves as a powerful, real-time illustration of the Buddhist principle of impermanence, asterisk and nika asterisk. Models and capabilities that were state-of-the-art a year ago are quickly superseded. This constant flux mirrors the transient nature of all conditioned phenomena, reminding us not to cling to any particular technological state or societal structure. More profoundly, AI challenges our ingrained sense of a fixed, independent self, *Atman*, and highlights the concept of no self, *Anatman*. AI demonstrates that complex intelligence, problem-solving, and even creativity can arise from non-biological processes, from complex algorithms and data. It deconstructs intelligence into functions that can be replicated or simulated. This can be unsettling, challenging human exceptionalism and our identification with cognitive abilities as the core of our being. From a Buddhist perspective, this challenge is an opportunity for insight. If intelligence can be constructed, it reinforces the understanding that our own minds and sense of self are also constructed, conditioned processes, not monolithic entities. AI acts as a mirror, reflecting the composite, interdependent, and impermanent nature of our own experience. Seeing intelligence arise in silicon can help loosen our attachment to the notion of a unique, enduring self residing within our biological form. This doesn't devalue human life. Rather, it shifts the basis of our value away from cognitive prowess alone towards qualities like ethical awareness, compassion, wisdom, and the capacity for liberation, qualities AI currently lacks. Contemplating AI through the lens of Anatman encourages humility and reduces the existential fear that AI might replace us. If there's no fixed self to begin with, the question becomes less about replacement and more about how these different forms of conditioned intelligence, biological and artificial, can skillfully coexist and potentially support each other's positive development within the web of interconnectedness. Humanity's journey with artificial intelligence is unfolding rapidly, presenting both dazzling possibilities and profound ethical dilemmas. A Buddhist perspective doesn't offer simple answers or predictions, but provides a crucial framework of wisdom for navigating this era. By understanding AI through the lenses of mindfulness, karma, compassion, impermanence, and no self, we can engage with this technology more consciously and skillfully. AI is a powerful mirror, reflecting our intentions, our biases, our societal values, and the very nature of intelligence and mind. It challenges us to clarify our ethics, deepen our compassion, question our assumptions about selfhood, and remain mindful amidst unprecedented change. The future is not predetermined by the technology itself, but by the wisdom and intention with which we choose to develop and integrate it. The ultimate goal is not merely smarter machines, but a wiser, more compassionate humanity capable of using powerful tools for the benefit of all beings. Cultivating our inner qualities, mindfulness, ethical sensitivity, loving-kindness, and wisdom becomes more critical than ever in shaping a future where technology serves liberation rather than deepening our entanglement and suffering. How can we personally cultivate mindfulness in our interactions with AI? What ethical principles do you think are most vital for guiding AI development? Share your insights below. To continue exploring the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern challenges, please like, subscribe, and join us again on the Noble Wisdom Path.